Welcome everyone. Today I am going to show you how AiTester, a new feature in Rapise 8.3, simplifies visual testing and powers your test cases with AI capabilities. AiTester lets you send text and image-based questions to AI and get smart text answers. It's great for tasks like image comparison, so you may detect visual discrepancies like layout shifts or missing elements. Do image analysis, analyze images to count elements or validate patterns. Perform text queries, for example, generate data or answer questions with AI-driven text output. And do text-based assertions, validate extracted text or application states dynamically. Let's start by installing AiTester. First, open your testing framework and then right-click Modules and Pages node in the object tree. Then go to Import Public Page Object. Wait a bit until the list of available public page objects appears, and then choose AiTester. It will take a while to install, and after that, if you will expand Modules and Pages node, you will see AiTester there. So you may read its description, and you may expand it and see what actions it brings to your testing framework. So let's see it in action. I will expand Test Cases node and will navigate to AiTester. By the way, this testing framework that I'm showing you right now, it's available on GitHub. Just go to Inflectra GitHub realm and there find Rapise Power Pack section. So let's go to GitHub and let's go to Rapise Power Pack. So you may clone all this repository, or you may find FW useful page objects and just download this part of the repository. And it contains exactly the same framework that I'm showing you right now. So let's open one of test cases here, AiTester Web. Actually, to start using AiTester, first thing that you need to do is to configure AI. So I will go to View, AI Dashboard, and here I will go to Settings. Here you may choose between AI providers, and then for each provider that you will use, you will need to specify some information like model name or API key or anything else. So, for example, for OpenAI, you may specify an environment variable with an API key. So this is why I don't have it here. So let's test model and see if Rapise can connect to it. Okay, it works. It means that AiTester is ready to use. So let's close the dashboard. So here I have a demo that compares two variants of the same website or the same web application written using different technologies. One is built with Angular UI and another is built with React UI. So what we have here is Rapise will open the first variant, will remember its screenshot, will open the second variant and will remember its screenshot, and then it will do multi-image query to compare the images that we have here on the stack. So we need to know what is different between the images. So let's run this piece. I will do play this sheet. So Rapise should open the browser, Chrome, and first we will see the Angular version. Here it is, and then React. And then information is sent to AI, and let's see what we got from AI, what response we have. So here in the report, I have my two screenshots, and this is the response from AI. So it spotted that these actually applications are a bit different. The second one contains books and authors links, And also it contains check this out section with additional links. So we have some information about differences between these images. So let's take a look at another example. So here I have another test case, AiTester desktop. Let's scroll it down. And here, what it does, it has two images, and it also puts them on stack. And multi-image query will use all the images from stack and will try to find differences. So let's take a look at our images. So they are here in shared section. So this is the baseline and this is the new version. So we have two kids puzzles and we need to find the differences between them. So let's run these 3 steps and see what AI will find. So I do play selection. We will not see anything changing on the screen, but we will see the response from AI here. So it actually spotted that cloud number changed. Also, there is a butterfly instead of a bee. And here it didn't find the sun face. So some of these differences are meaningful, some of them are not. But we got some differences from AI. We may probably refine our query and get more precise differences between these two images. So what else we can do with the AiTester? Let's return back to AiTester web test case and go to RVL sheet here. So besides image queries, AiTester can also do just text query. So for example, I want to generate a random string of 10 alphanumeric characters. So let's run this piece, play selection, and in the report, we will see the generated value. So it will be placed into last result variable, and in our test case, we can use it somehow. Also, let's send some generic query, like how many days we have in the next year, 2025. So we get the result. So what else we can do? We can also use some workflows defined in AI settings in Rapise. Again, if we will go to AI dashboard and we'll try to create a new chat, here we will see the available workflows, and we can use name of each of these workflow to query AI. So let's cancel this and let's generate 5 A company names using generate data list workflow. And let's see what we will get in response. Here we go. So here we have the list of companies generated by AI. What else we can do? Also, we can do some high-level assertions about the page. So, for example, is user successfully logged into the application? So let's run these 2 lines. We are not logged into application, so in this case, we should get something like no or false. By the way, let's log in into the application and try to figure out, run this again. So this is the live demo. This is why something can go wrong. Okay, so we have true in response. It means that AI detected that we are logged into application. What else we can do? Let's log out and count how many input fields do we have. I will call just this step, and I hope we will get 2 as a response. Yes, we have 2 input fields. Besides these queries, you can do assertions using AiTester. It can do soft assertions or hard assertions. It works the way that this assertion action just receives the text and some hypothesis it should test against this text. So, for example, let's run this part. It will navigate to a page where we have something bad in the layout. So here you may see that the name field is partially overlapped by some other control. So let's run this assertion does this page look okay? And I hope that in the response, AI will say that there is some overlap problem. And then we will assert this last response, if the page is okay or not. So let's play selection. AI runs the query. And here what we've got in the response. The page does not look okay because name input field is overlapped by gray box. And then when we send this text to AI together with this assertion, the page is okay, we get false in response. So the page is not okay because the name input field is overlapped by some gray box. Let's see what else we can do with AI. So we can do things like OCR. So for example, here I have a desktop test. So let's run Notepad here. And here we have it. And it has some menu items. Let's go to AiTester desktop. And here we will ask it to list items in the menu. So app here, actually this is the control that I learned here, and this is the whole application window. So let's run this part, play selection, and in return we should get the list, comma separated list of the menu items here. Here we go. This is the result that we expected to have. Also, again, here we may send a query and count the number of menu items. We can do query against the window, and the Rapise can find the window by title. Also, we can do full screen query if some application is running, and you may invent some other queries as well. So when you do full screen query, Rapise captures the whole screen and sends it to AI. So you can do a lot of different things using AI and AiTester, since AiTester can send a number of images and the text query to AI and get the response. Let's summarize. With AiTester, we are bringing the power of AI right into your automated test cases. Whether it's catching those sneaky layout shifts, spotting missing elements, generating random test data, or handling complex checks, AiTesters got you covered. What makes it truly special is its adaptability. It works like a super observant tester, but with the speed and reliability of automation. Thank you for joining this demo.